Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a working laptop keyboard, the right adapter, and administrative access on the desktop. First, test the keyboard on the laptop. Make sure every key registers. Once done, choose your connection: USB adapter for plug-and-play or Bluetooth for wireless. Install the manufacturer HID or generic keyboard driver on the desktop and allow any firmware updates. This prevents driver conflicts later, so you avoid input lag and key mapping errors. You now connect the keyboard to your desktop. Plug the USB adapter into a powered port or pair via Bluetooth under Settings. Make sure the keyboard shows as paired and set as the primary input. Then map keys. Remap function and media keys with a remapping utility so shortcuts work as expected. Once mapped, tune repeat rate and delay and confirm the language layout matches. These steps reduce typing errors and make special keys behave the way you expect. You finish by validating the keyboard across browsers, editors, and games. Check modifiers, hotkeys, and N-key rollover if needed. Once satisfied, secure cables or mount the keyboard in your preferred desktop position and add a palm rest for comfort. If things go wrong, try one key troubleshooting step first. Reinstall the keyboard driver, switch to a different USB port, or repair the Bluetooth connection. If issues persist, test another keyboard to isolate hardware.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.